All right, this is the AMG GTS driver's driving impression. And first off, we're gonna take this knob here and we're gonna go to individual setting, and that just put us in all this individual specific settings that I like. And this is the German muscle car that handles as good or better than the 911. Now, did you know that this was built to pretty much dominate in the circuit? This is a handling car, which is crazy because it's front engine, it's a V8 twin turbo, but man, does it handle. And the sound, the pops you get, the pops. Let me tell you, I love a V8. I mean, and this is like a traditional style V8. This is like one of those V8s that like reminds you of American muscle, but it's got handling, which is usually not the case. This car is just amazing. And the pops, the pops are great. So first off, this is mine. I'm gonna talk about myself in third person. This is David's first Mercedes. And talk about like first impression for Mercedes. Like, I always knew that AMG like was awesome, but I don't just own like an AMG, like a C AMG or whatever. This car's name is AMG. So that really brings it up a whole notch when it comes to Mercedes, because they labeled this AMG. And if you think about Formula One, whew, I'm just pumped up. But now let's talk about just the experience. This is so beautiful. The design of a Mercedes is gorgeous. So it's like a luxury sports car, but also like supercar territory and also muscle car. You get a lot of bang for the buck for this car. I mean, for it being my first Mercedes, it's a really cool car. Like, I'm kind of still learning a lot about it, but I like it. Like, I like the handling, I like the driving experience, I like the usability. It really is cool. And like I said, I'm still learning everything. I'm still learning all the settings. Now, one of the things about this car is that I've got brand new tires on it, but it's definitely on the stiff side, but not like stiff in a way that you don't understand why it's stiff. Like, it handles so well, you know why it's stiff. Like, it actually complements it being stiff because it handles so well. Like, if it was loose and stiff, I would just feel very disappointed, but it's stiff and it's a lot of feedback. This would actually be a really fun car on the track, and that engine sound would just be so much fun. I plan to do some stuff to it. I plan to get a couple of modules. That's what they call it. I think it's like Ren something. I'm still learning everything. But if you know driver's therapy, we're gonna know everything about the car and the aftermarket parts before you know it. But let me tell you, brakes, I feel like brakes are overlooked in the whole driving experience. These carbon ceramic brakes are really a treat. I mean, they really hit hard. You gotta be ready for it. Here recently, I drove a vehicle without high performance brakes, and I was realizing how much I need high performance brakes in my life, because it's essentially just as important as going fast as stopping properly. And these brakes are on it, man. All right, as far as just cruising and chilling, I mean, the radio's good, heated seats, dual climate control, yeah, a little bit of everything. It's really nice. All right, guys, thanks for watching.